Hey everybody, how you doing out there tonight? So, you're going into 2026, you gotta have a plan. And the greatest way to find your plan is to go through your analytics and find out, what did I do in 2025 wrong? What did I do wrong? Now, at the same time, I want you to go and find out what you did right. But first, let's go find out our year in review. So I'm going to give you the prompt, and I'm going to assume a couple things. One, you have access to ChatGPT, or maybe you have Gemini, or maybe you have Claude, or maybe you have Perplexity. Whatever your AI platform is, great. That's what you need to use. And we're going to show you that. I'm going to give you a prompt to use to get you that information you need. But first, we got to go into our YouTube analytics and dig some stuff out. All right. So I'm going to paste a link in the chat. Feel free to go there. And this will show you the very prompt that I'm going to be using during this episode. So let's watch. All right. Let's go and do some sharing. Sharing means caring. All right. So first and foremost, you have got to go to your channel, YouTube Studio, and you got to go to Analytics. Okay? Go to Analytics, and I put a link in the chat that tells you exactly what to do here, okay? So we want to go to Advanced Mode, all right? And then I'm going to go to my document that I sent you. This is the prompt you need. So, all right, yep, done. All right. So we need to get, would help if I change screens, wouldn't it? Okay, hang on. Go over here and show you the new screen I'm on. Which Chrome? There we go. Prompt you need. Here we go. All right. So here's the prompt you need. Make it a little bit bigger so you can see it. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. So we need to go into YouTube Studio, Analytics, Content, and see more, and go to Advanced Mode. And we want to set the date range for 365 days. And we want video title, views. We want watch time, average percent viewed, impression click-through rate, and published date. All right. So let's go and do that. Here's what I do, because I have short-term memory problems. I'm going to go highlight that, make it into a thumbnail. There we go. Just so I remember. Okay, cool. All right. So now we're going into my YouTube Analytics. Here you go. Let me change back so you guys see the screen I'm on now. Okay, here we go. Here's my channel Analytics. Now watch this. All right. So we're going to go to, first we're going to go here and change this right here. You can barely see it, I know, to 365 days, all right? Let's see if I can drag it over. It doesn't make it work any better, does it? Anyway, it's because I got it all blown up so big. All right, let me drop it down. I got it at 175%, so there we go. All right, I just want to make sure you can see it. Okay, so here we go. So I want to go and change the date period, 365 days. So that's going to be 365 days from a day. And then under content, I want to go to views. I want to go to watch time hours. I don't care so much about subscribers. I want average percentage viewed. Okay. And then go through here and look at other interactions, pre and pay list, live, post, remix. Okay. Stay to watch, regular viewers, casual, nope, none of that. Video published, that's what I want, the published date, video published, because that'll help it know how old the videos are. So it'll keep it in check for me. All right. And then, let's see, also I want the, so I got average view percentage. I like average view duration. Anyway, impressions click-through rate. Okay, I don't care about impressions so much. Impressions click-through rate. So that's everything you need right there. So let's go look again. You want views. You want watch time. Average percentage viewed. Videos published. We see here. Clips, cards. Okay, so that should give me everything I need right there, hopefully. All right. You added subscribers. Okay. All right, here we go. So I'm going to hit apply. And so here it is, it outports it like that. And so then I want to go and over here on the other side, drag it. Let me see if I shrink it down. Easier for you to see. There we go. All right, cool. If I click on this arrow and choose drop down, I want comma separated values. Okay. Preparing file for download. I'm going to save it to my downloads directory so I can find it easily. Click right here. Okay. Now for me, this works on Windows too, by the way. I don't really, want to talk about Windows, and you can go, it gives you a zip file. So now you can't see what I'm doing. So let me share everything. Now, primary display. Okay, so here we go. All right, so it gives me a zip file. I'm going to open with archive utility. So there is the zip file. And inside it, there are 3 files. You have totals, chart data, and table data. So we need those 3 files. So now I'm going to go to ChatGPT, and I'm going to upload, add files, photos or files. And I'm going to close that. And I'm going to go add the last one I just did because I've been playing around with this all day because it's fun. Totals, chart data, and table data. Ta-da! All right, I give it all that. Now, I'm going to go back. If you go to the link that I sent you, this is the prompt that I gave you right here. All right. Act as a YouTube data analyst. I'm uploading CSV file, analyze the data, provide a stop, start, continue report. All right. Copy. Going back. ChatGPT. All right. And I'm going to paste it there. Bling. And I'm going to say, go. And it's going to think a little bit, which I want it to. I want it to think. Now, if you are lucky enough, and I stress that lucky is a funny word. I have a subscription to vidIQ Boost. I used to hate vidIQ. I used to think TubeBuddy was so much better, and then I fell in love with vidIQ because they were using ChatGPT and doing all the analytics. So you could use their virtual coach. So I'll tell you what, we had one of those nights. Writing code. There we go. Come on, keep going. So let me go show you what vidIQ. So I have a subscription to vidIQ Boost. It's not cheap, but if you get it on a Black Friday or one of the sales, it's not unreasonable. And so if you're really looking to really grow your channel, this is a fantastic way to do it. So we're going to do a new chat. All right. Now, the advantage of vidIQ Boost is I don't have to go and give it that CSV file. It has access to my analytics already on my channel. Okay. So I want to show you the ChatGPT way or the Gemini way so that it's free or cheap because you're already paying for it. But if you happen to have vidIQ, you can go here. And what I like to do is create a prompt and say, give me a year-end review for my YouTube channel. Tell me my big wins and tell me my big losses. Act as a YouTube expert. And tell me what I need to fix about my channel and my videos. Okay? Bam. All right, so let's let that finish. Oops, you guys aren't seeing it right now because I changed the primary display. What the heck? Oh, I changed screens. All right, go back. Ta-da. Okay, so if you have vidIQ, it's going off and doing all this while it's thinking about it. Now, while that's all happening, we can go over here to see what's happening over on ChatGPT. And it's been fast all day. So, of course, it wants to slow down like Christmas on me as I'm doing this show. We'll just see. We'll see. Focus on top porn videos. Okay. I'll let that keep chewing. It's writing code, building a video set. All right. So go back to chat to, here we go. Summarizing video. So give me a year review for my YouTube channel. Tell me my big wins and tell me my big losses. Act as YouTube content creation expert and tell me what I need to fix about my channel and my videos. Now, while that's all chomping around in the background, let's see how everybody's doing out there tonight. I'm sure I'm picking something wrong. Here we go. Shout outs. Ta-da! Cool. Here we go. All right. Da-da-da-da-da. Roy, hey David. That's that link I posted in the chat. So there, hey, it's Rich Vibes. I'm here. Hello, tech people. Hi, Matt. Hi, Rich. Can you use the sheet or AI? It shows rows with CTP greater than 8 or minus ABV greater than 849. Yeah. I know those magical numbers you like to throw around, Matt, but I'm letting the magic do the magic for me. All right, David. So not everybody has a pocket YouTube expert in their house. So I want people that, are bread and butter, living the life like we do, where we work full-time jobs and we create content part-time and we come and learn stuff. Team Blue, yeah. All right. Okay. All right, so let's go back to vidIQ. vidIQ has, of course, torn into me. Let's see what it says. Here goes my channel year in review. So it's going to help me come up with an action plan for 2026 because I'm going to ask it what my 2026 was. So let's go look at the highlights here. So here it is. vidIQ. Let's make sure I got it bumped up where you can see it. Good. All right. Your channel review. Happy New Year. I've crunched the numbers in your channel the last 3 years. The data tells the story of 2 channels. One is effective tech support engine. The other is a struggling personal vlog. Here's the brutal truth about your wins, your losses, and exactly how to fix the gap in 2026. The big wins. You are the Mac doctor. Your audience is voted with the clicks. The OneDrive on Mac Authority. You have cornered a micro niche here. The videos are the channel's engine because they target high intent search traffic, people frantically looking for a fix. OneDrive Sync not working on Mac OS. Try these fixes. The classic painkiller video solves the urgent problem. Retention King, OneDrive on Mac, how to add it to Finder favorites. That one's a hit. Nearly 70% average percentage viewed. 70% average percentage viewed. This video is structurally perfect. It promises a specific tweak and delivers it immediately. And then Evergreen, OneDrive on Mac using Finder for Brian and others. Continues to pull consistent traffic because it answers a question that never goes away. And then Deep Dive installs. How to install Parallels on Windows 11. Yay. And then your personality. Your long-form personality content struggles below. Your shorts that mix personality and pop culture utility do well. The Higher Christmas. How to turn Instagram archiving. Yeah. Your losses. Videos with low views per day. High drop-offs. The wedding. What happens when AI joins the party. 6M PS8. Those were just jokey videos anyway. So, a studio in progress. This is zombie content. Unless you're a massive celebrity like Casey Neistat, viewers rarely care about your flooring or renovations unless you frame it in how to build a studio for under $500. Frame was about you and not about them. Again, not paying attention to my audience. Therapy disconnect videos like how I broke out of creator struggle are well produced, but they perform significantly worse than your tech tutorials. Why? Because people finding your channel via OneDrive fix aren't looking for creator therapy yet. This is a disconnect between your scalable content and tech. So, yeah, the fix. You don't need to kill creator therapy concept, but you must completely repackage it to match the tech Troublemaker engine that is actually growing your channel. Stop vlogging, start engineering your therapy videos. Your tech videos work because they are specific. Your therapy videos fail because they are abstract. The fix. Apply a tech tutorial structure to your how I broke out of the creator struggle, vague and emotional. How do this? I use CTR or AVD data to fix my burnout. Specific, technical, measurable. Why your audience is analytical. They want to fix their channel like they fix their Mac, speak their language. So tells me all the things I need to do. Tells me what I did bad. Says you're a winning engine tech troubleshooting in 2026. Stop fighting it. Use the trust you build with tech tutorials to introduce the creator lifestyle content, but only if you package that lifestyle content as a system they can install, not just a story to watch. So, here I am. What should my YouTube content creation plan be for 2026? Give me 10 specific video ideas along with B-roll suggestions and bullet points and hooks for the videos. Suggest 3 titles each. All right. Now, copy that prompt because that'll work over in ChatGPT. Let's go see what ChatGPT did while that one was thinking. Here's the big picture for the last 365 days. Search-driven tech fixes, high intent, high click-through rate, reliable views, community creator content, long, good watch time per viewer, but often weak reach. So the people that care about it, they watch. Below is your stop, start, continue report. Long YouTube growth lives with broader, vague packaging. It says stop that. In the bottom 50%, excluding recent uploads. You made 46 videos in the YouTube growth strategy bucket that generated 581 views, about 0.5% of all your views. So there. Tiny total demand, your data set always sits in the bottom zone. Oh, that's sad. Travel vlog, consistently low, does not connect. Stop making content about long, broad creator talk lives unless you can package them as a specific problem solution. Continue Microsoft Painkiller tutorials, especially OneDrive. Windows on Mac, parallels VM Fusion. Shorts when they're either funny or ultra specific. Top views set, heavy driven. So anyway, I need to do Mac work fixes. I need to turn my best lives, long lives into searchable standalone tutorials. And here's the 80-20. About 17% of your videos generate 80% of your views, and 12% of my videos generate 80% of my watch time. The view winners skew shorts and quick fixes. Watch time winners skew long form lives and deep dives. So clear winners, zombie content, bottom 50%, excluding very recent uploads. So yeah, and here's the action plan. It says 5 video titles. OneDrive not syncing on Mac, 7 fixes in 10 minutes. OneDrive to Finder on Mac, sidebar setup in a minute, 2 minutes. Parallels 11 install on Mac, 2026 step by step, no confusion. These are where my channel is at. Now, where's yours? You can take those and see, here it is. So I went and I said, hey, tell me what I should do. And so it gives me a whole thing. It says we're pivoting your channel from tech support and vlogs to tech systems for creators. You are no longer just troubleshooting Macs. You're troubleshooting the creator workflow using the same analytical problem-solving approach. And here's 10 videos. So, where in the world are we? Now, you can take those same prompts and run those in ChatGPT or in Gemini or Perplexity, whatever is your favorite AI, and you upload those CSV files, and it will tell you what your channel has done in the last 365 days. I gave you the instructions, I gave you the prompt, and so go and see what it says about your channel. What can you do to make your channel awesome in 2026? My job is to take that information and go and fix my channel. So 2026 is going to be a year of growth for me. I'm going to fix these things, but what are you doing? What is your plan? What are you going to do in 2026? How are you going to fix the things that maybe are wrong about your channel? Maybe your channel is doing fantastic and you don't need anything, but there's always some little thing that you can tweak, as I often say, to get 1% better. What's your plan of action? What are you going to do? What's going to make things work better for your channel? I hope that you'll take this opportunity and go through the strategy. That link, I'll put that link that I put in the chat. I'll also put it in the description so that you can find it and download my prompts that I put out there. And yeah, that's what it looks like for me. So, next week, expect some major announcements about this channel and what its future is going to be, because it's time for the pivot. I gave it a long time. I waited a long while. But now it's time for the pivot. So, David says, let's go. Exactly, David. Let's do it, man. Let's do it, man. What's your plans for 2026? I hope you got a plan. I hope this is what I'm going to do in 2026. I got a plan. It's going to be amazing. I'm going to do this on my videos. I'm going to make these corrections. I'm going to do these things. This is how I'm going to fix my channel. I'm going to focus on my content on this particular niche. What are you going to do to fix your channel? Like I said, expect big changes on this one. Thank you so much for watching. Hey, if you like this kind of stuff, assuming you'll still watch me after next week, hit that like button. Let me know and let YouTube know. Hey, man, that was fun. I enjoyed that. So, all right, let's go. Bye. Bye. Watch what YouTube tells you to watch here. Bye.